Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the making of this beautiful nameplate. All the materials required are mentioned in the description box as well. You can check over there. And guys, if you're new to my channel and if you're not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. So guys, for this first I had taken a waste cardboard like this, and on this I had drawn a door shape. You can see over here, and this middle portion we need to cut it out. Now take another cardboard and cut few cardboard strips like this. We'll be using this to form a brick wall pattern around the door. Again, cut them into small pieces to form shape of a brick. Now apply some white glue and start sticking these cardboard pieces around the door. So this is how it looks after sticking these cardboard pieces. Now turn it back side. As it is a cardboard, to give it more strength, I'm sticking few popsicle sticks on the back side to make sure that the cardboard doesn't bend. Now to make it much stronger, here I'm taking POP. To this add some white glue and water and mix it well. The consistency should be like this. Now carefully apply this on the brick wall pattern and on the door as well. I just applied one coat of it. And let it dry. And this is how it looks after drying. And for the back side, I have done 3 coats to make it bit stronger. And now I'm using this OHP sheet to give a fake glass effect to the door. Cut according to the shape. And stick it on the back side using strong glue. So now start coloring the wall. Here I'm using light pink color. You can use any color of your choice. And for the door, I painted white color. Now take any air dry clay and start forming creepers over the wall. Now start forming small flowers. Just take a tiny ball, just roll it to form a cone shape, and using this toothpick, press it gently to form a hole, and then spread it over the sides to form a trumpet shape. And that's it. Our small and cute flowers are ready. So make few flowers like this and start sticking them along the creepers. Now to form barks over the creepers, again I'm using the same toothpick. Just run it across the creeper vine, and you can see here the barks are formed. Now start forming the leaves. Again take small amount of clay, form a teardrop, press it gently with your finger to form leaf shape, and then give impressions to form a leaf. Now start sticking the leaves over the creepers. And here I don't know what to call it exactly. I think so we can call it as a frame. Start forming frame over the opening and over the sides of the door. Now start forming frame over our OHP sheet, which is our fake glass. So now start forming few panels on the bottom part of our door. Now make a pot for our creeper. So that's it, we are done. And now start coloring. Here I'm using dark brown for the stems and shades of green for the leaves, and for flowers I'll be using yellow color. And one more thing guys, this is going as a gift to one of our family members, as their house number is 314. I created a panel over the door and wrote the number over it, and this is the doorknob, painted it with black, and over it I am using this gold to give an antique look. And guys, you can see here using popsicle sticks I created this fence, and over this I created creepers in the same way using the clay. And now I am using this coaster and 2 skewers to create a name board. And now stick these skewers using strong glue and allow it to dry. Once it gets dried, start coloring it. First, as a base coat I applied white. And then over it I am using this wood color. Now write the names over the board and start filling them with the color. I used white pencil to write the names. Now to make it look more attractive, I am using this decoupage paper. Just cut it and then stick it over the board to fill the gaps and to look more attractive. Now I am applying decoupage glue all over the board. Let it dry. And now I am using this tray. Start painting it with blue. Now apply white color over the top using sponge dabber. Just dab it here and there. And now for the bottom part I am applying this green to give grass effect. Now fix this board on one side of the tray, and for this I am using Shilpakar clay or mold it. Apply some glue and press it over the surface to make it stronger. Once it gets dried off completely, then apply the green color. Now to fix the brick wall to the tree, I am using these skewers. Cut it according to the size. Make sure that it fits exactly like this. And then close the edges with mold it or Shilpakar clay. The reason why I am using this mold it is it is an epoxy compound and it becomes really rock hard after once it gets dried. Cover all the 4 edges with this mold it. Allow mold it to dry off completely. Then apply some glue on 4 corners. And then to cover the bottom gap, fill it with clay. And then place this brick wall over the skewers. Now cover the gaps on the top and bottom parts using clay. On the bottom part I am forming a small step at the opening of the door. Now close the top portion as well, and you can see here I'm forming a small loop, and later I'll be hanging a small bell to this loop. And I'm left over with a small amount of clay. I thought of using it. I formed a small pot. Just stick it over the tree. And now apply strong glue and stick the fence. Now color the bottom part and the top part. For the bottom I'm using this grey color. And for the top I'm using the same pink. And guys, you can see here this is a small bell, and I will be hanging this on that loop. Insert thread and secure it by placing few knots, and then cut the excess thread. I have this bead bunch lying with me from so many days. I'll be sticking this over the pot. And now we are almost done, and once everything gets dried, just seal your project with good varnish. And finally, to hang this to wall, I attach a thread using staples. And that's it guys, our name board is ready. You can place few fairy lights to make it look more attractive. I totally enjoyed the making of this project, and I hope you also like it. And guys, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and click the bell icon to get the further notifications. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.